Hi there, thanks for joining in and welcome to BOXX. In this short tutorial, we will walk through how to create a custom tooltip using HTML and CSS. If you want to follow along, the code download is on the BOXX website. Link in the description box below. Step 1. The HTML. First, let us start by generating some dummy text. Then wrap the tooltip in an I tag. Give it a data tooltip attribute. Step 2. Use the before pseudo class to create the tooltip. Step 3. Position the tooltip. Set absolute position and 100% top on the tooltip. But take note that this will place the tooltip relative to the nearest positioned ancestor. In this example, the tooltip is placed relative to the body itself. We want the tooltip to be at the bottom of the text, so we set a relative position on the text itself. If you want the tooltip to be at the top of the text, change it to bottom instead. Next, make sure there is sufficient spacing around the text to display the tooltip correctly. Add some margin or padding if required. Set a high z-index on the tooltip to make sure it is layered on top of others. Lastly, it is recommended to set inline block on the text for better positioning. Step 4. Show tooltip only on hover. Hide the tooltip by default using hidden visibility and zero opacity. Then show it only on mouse hover. To add a touch of fade animation, we can also use CSS transition. Step 5. Finally, all that's left is to style the tooltip. Highlight the text. Set the tooltip background color, font color, padding, width, and your own desired styles. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more. See you in the next one.